Good morning. Myself Manoj, Department of Business Administration, Dr. SNS Rajmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I would like to explain my topic about Python built-in functions. So, Python built-in functions. Python is the most popular programming language created by Guy Benarosium in 1991. It is used for system scripting, software development, and web development. Web application can develop it on a server using Python. Workflow can be made with Python and other technologies. Database systems are connectable with Python. Files can be also read and changed by it. Big data management and advanced mathematical operations can both be done with Python. So the syntax of the Python is straightforward and reassemble that of English. Python syntax enables programming to create programmers with a fewer lines of code. Then would you like to Good morning. Myself Manoj, Department of Business Administration, Dr. SNS Rajmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. I'd like to explain my topic about Python built-in functions. Python is the most popular programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is used for system scripting, software development, and web development. Web applications can be developed on a server using the Python. Workflows can be made with the Python and other technologies. Database management systems are connectable with Python. Files can also be read and changed by it. Big data management and advanced mathematical operations can both be done. The syntax of Python is straightforward and reassembled that of English. The Python syntax enables programmers to create programs with fewer lines of code than they would be able to with a certain of other language. Python operates on an entrepreneur system, allowing for the immediate execution of written code. Python provides a lot of built-in functions that is of the writing of code is the article. You will be learn about the Python built-in functions, exploring the various applications and highlighting and some of the most commonly used ones. Python built-in functions, the Python apps functions, that means Python alter function, Python all functions, have a number of functions in Python. Apps functions, that means it returns the absolute value of number. All functions return true if all items of objects are true. If any functions returns true if any item objects is true. That's a binary function that returns the binary version of a number. The boolean functions that returns the boolean value of specified object. Array functions the return array of bytes. Bytes that return a bytes objects. Character returns a character from specified unique code. Class method converts a method into the class. Compile return the specified source of an object ready to be executed. Complex return a complex number. And delete functions deletes a specific attribute that is a property of method from the specified object. Dictionary returns a dictionary, that's array returns a list of the specified object properties and methods. And dive mode, that's functions that returns a quotation and the remainder when argued one is divided by the argument 2. Mm, evaluate and execute is an expression. Execute the specific code or object. Filter, use a filter function to execute items in a object that return and floating functions and returns a floating point number. Format is a specified value. Forgen returns forgen set objects. Return the value of specified attribute. Global returns the current global symbol table of as a dictionary. Returns, that means true functions, the returns true specified object has been attribute. Has returns has value of specified objects. Help execute is the built-in help system, converts a number into hexadecimal value. Id returns the id of an object. Input allowing user input. Integer number returns as an integer number, returns as an iterative object and length of an object. List returns as a list. Maximum and minimum functions returns as a largest item of an object and returns as the smallest item of an object. So these are the functions, that is the Python built-in functions. These are the most valuable functions in Python. The Python programming to demonstrate input and functions is a Python 3. The value of input, enter the name, print the type of the input value, print the type value 1 and value 2 input. These are the example of functions. So the Python raw input functions used to get the value for the user. We call these functions after the program to stop and wait user to input the values. It is a built-in functions. The input function used only in Python 2x version. The 2x has two functions of take the value from the user. The first one is the input function, another one is the raw input functions. The raw input function is similar to the input function in Python. 3x developer recommend the use of functions by 2x. So these are the types are followed by the functions built in a functions in Python programming. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.